How to open your page on Facebook. Somebody is asking me this question. So in one of the videos I did, I saw a comment where somebody is asking, how do I open a page? So let's not always assume that everybody knows everything about this content creating thing. There are people who are very, very new to it. There are people who are not so much on Facebook before now, but because of the monetization thing, they want to get engaged on Facebook. So somebody dropped a comment asking, how do I open a Facebook page? Now you can monetize, let me just add this, you can monetize your profile, no doubt, but one thing about page is that page has a wilder version or wilder features than just your profile. For example, you can add admin. Probably you're still you are still in a country that is not eligible. Somebody can help you monetize your page from an eligible country, and they can be helping you to post. Yes, that's one of the things you can, that's one of the differences between profile and page. So this person is asking now, how do I open a page? Probably she wants to do a business and whatever thing, or she wants to monetize both, because you can actually monetize profile and page. I have my profile monetized already. My page is monetized in some things, but in-stream ads has not been monetized on that. So I'm going to show you that right about now. Okay, so when you open your Facebook profile, this is my Facebook profile right now, you're going to click on this place that has your picture down there underneath the page. So you profile, I mean, you click. Once you click, you're going to see your different things you can do. Your professional dashboard, your videos, marketplace, groups, friends. Remember, this is a profile. Yeah, that's why I'm saying friends. If it is on my Facebook page, you're not going to be seeing friends, but you're going to see more, more features. So you scroll to where you have pages. You can see where you have page or pages. Your own can be page, your own can be pages. For me, I have pages because I have other pages that I am, managing, and I have different pages I've opened in time past. Everything is still under me. So once you click these pages, if you don't have any page under you, nothing is going to show here. Okay, but me now, I have different pages that I've opened, some that so you see where you see create. So you click this create. Once you click create, say a page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand, and organization. Can you see that? That's another thing. Organizations open pages, they don't use profile. So from maybe the CEO's profile, you can now open a page. So you get started. You can see now page name. You enter the name of the page you want to open. Once you use the name you want to open, you click next, and you finish everything that you are told to do. So you can now be switching from your profile to your page. So if you have a page, you will now see where you can be switching. You see where you can be switching from profile to page, which is here. You will now see all those other pages you open, you'll be seeing them on top of here. Now look at all the pages here now. Are you seeing that? So that is what it's like. So please let me like this video and share it. Thank you so much for watching.